So this is a spoon here, and what we see in it is we see a wrap. It's a wrap here, and then we usually have drops inside because it's drops of usually liquid, so like water or anything else like that. And this character is pronounced Shao, Shao. We put zi at the end as well, so Shao Zi, Shao Zi, Shao Zi. And I think the character makes so much sense here. It's a wrap and it's a drop. Look at that character. Oh, isn't it beautiful? 哎，你好，你好，有没有勺子？有。有。啊。哎，有啊。哎，谢谢，谢谢，谢谢 ，Thank you. 勺子. So it wasn't enough with Shao. We had to add a little 字 at the end, a little child. So we said 勺子. 谢谢。
勺子。
可以了，可以了。
你哪块儿啊？
瑞典吧。
什么？
瑞典。
瑞典？
对。
瑞典是哪里？
欧洲欧洲北边。
对，我们北欧的，北欧人，叫我北欧人。
Really？
可以了。
行啊。